What is nature? The question becomes whether nature has some connection to God. To do so, a person must distinguish between both natural, physical or metaphysical, and supernatural, spiritual, entities. The latter, they argue, have no intrinsic relationship to nature. In the same vein, Dawkins points to the fact that man has a body, as does the earth, and he sees this as a way of generating physical bodies from the outside world. Although his scientific arguments, however, are so radical that others tend to scoff at them, Dawkins argues passionately for the idea that we possess only natural bodies. We don't have natural bodies because we believe in them. We can claim to be able to create them, and in some cases, with little or no effort, we can create the world without them. Natural bodies therefore constitute our own nature. For a more detailed discussion of Dawkins's case for the existence of natural bodies follow. In my latest paper, I examine the relationship between consciousness, action and nature in relation to religion, as well as to religious institutions. I argue that Dawkins' case, in my view, is not only compelling for humanistic arguments, but also for epistemological ones as well. Rather than insisting that one is better off after a bad experience than after God's help, rather than following a philosophical theory based on evidence, Dawkins also argues empirically that that explanation provides value to people in terms of their belief systems.